Are you tired of sitting behind your desk and watching those trading charts all day, waiting for the best entries, waiting for the best exits? You're always losing money, you're always too late, you're blowing up your prop firm accounts. It's very, very frustrating. And I know because I was there too. But I created a solution, and that's trading automation. And I'm going to show you how it looks like, because now, finally, you are able to become profitable and without lifting a finger too. So let me show you how it works. So this is the strategy we created for TradingView. It's called the ATR Breakout Strategy. And the strategy is very easy to import in your own TradingView account. And then once you import it, you are able to automate this. And don't worry, because we have a step-by-step guide how to do that and how to automate it, which tool you use. And you don't have to be tech savvy, it's very easy to do. And within 1 hour, you are good to go, and you have an automated system running for you, making money while you sleep. Okay, so how does it work? First, after the purchase, go back here. You get access to this page with all the instructions and the code. Here's the code. So just copy the code, then go here to the Pine editor and paste it here. And then click on Update to Chart. What you see then is those graphics in here, okay? Then the next step is change the settings, because we already have preferred settings for you, matching the market conditions at that time, because we're updating the settings every week and paste it on the page. So when you go to the page back, you implemented the script, then you go to the settings, current settings, October 22nd at this moment. The settings are in here, just copy and paste it. Go to your strategy here, listed here in your TradingView chart. Click on the wheel icon and just copy and trade, or copy and paste the settings into this dashboard. And then you're good to go, and you see the same results as we have here. So we are trading micro gold futures on a 2-minute chart. This script you can also use for crypto or shares, depending on what you're trading. But we are trading micro gold futures. This is example for micro gold futures. With one micro contract, we have a 2.5k profit, 207 max equity drawdown, 14 trades in a month, or approx 10 in average. 71% profitable trades, and the profit is very high. Is it stable? Yes. When we go back to the backtest 90 days back, we still have profits with one micro, very low drawdown, 24 trades in 3 months, 60.62 profitable trades, 3.8 profit factor. So still very profitable, very stable. And we think less is more, because you don't have many trades in a month. But we also, what we do with the settings, we are, do you say that you don't want to have fake outs in your trades. So we prevent fake outs with the settings we have in here. So it will enter the perfect timing. So when you go here, you see here, I make it a bit longer, perfect timing, long exit. Same here, short exit. Take the profits in here. When you go to the profit list, to the strategy tester, you are able to see also the earnings in here. So the 22nd of October, we had $386 with one micro. Day before, 822. And the 14th, we had 278. So here are the profits, and the losses are very low. And what we have implemented is an ATR trailing stop. So we minimize the losses and maximize your profits. You're able to do the settings in here. So depending on your risk management, you can always change your own risks in here too. But these are our recommended settings for this bot. Okay, or I have to say strategy. Automation is very easy to do, because it comes also with a step-by-step guide. When we go to it's a PDF you can download for the same page. Ebook, create and automate your own trading bot using AI and Python script. Here are the tools listed which you can use to automate it, but also which you can use to enhance the script or to create your own scripts for TradingView. So it's up to you. But the point is, we provided a script also including your purchase, because here it also shows how to automate your strategy into an automation system called TradeView, and then hook it up to your broker, and that's, automation system is TradersPost, and hook it up to your broker TradeView. Okay, step-by-step guide, very easy to do. So it comes with full instructions. You're able to join also our, let me see if we have it here. Yeah, to join our community. We have a community where you can ask questions, so you're not alone. We have Q&As, we have a classroom in here, also with some videos about risk management and that kind of stuff. So community is for free once you purchase this product, and you're also able to scale with contract size. So this is with one micro contract. If we go back to the standard settings, we change it to 2 micros, then you see the profits is doubling. 2, 3 micro contracts, the profits are tripling in here, and so on. So if you have a 50K account, use 1 micro contract, 100K, 2 micro contracts, and on a 50K or 200K, 3 micro contracts, and so on. Okay, so you're able to scale very easy to fund your evil accounts on prop firms, and then also after that to get payouts. Okay, so we are using Apex funding. It's also written in our ebook, and we have also a coupon code 50% discount on the monthly fees you have to pay for an evaluation account. So that's actually it. So yeah, if you're tired of wasting a lot of money and blowing accounts and sitting all day behind your desk, wasting time too, automated process. Not many trades a month, maybe 8, maybe 10, but less is more, and it's profitable. So the less trades you have, that's the best way to go. And you don't have to monitor anything. Just after your work, go to your screen, see if there is a trade happening. You always, for example, for the signals, you're able to receive emails once a trade is going. If we have an enter a long or a short, you get an email, so you can set the email notifications too. And yeah, only have to watch the profits coming in at the end of the day. Disclaimer, all the results in the past are not guaranteed for the future, okay? And trading is also risk. So if you're trading with your own money, it's riskful. The best way to trade with prop firms, you have less risk, okay? But this is the backtest of TradingView. It's working, it's stable. We have also profits running in, as you see also in the list of trades. But we don't guarantee anything, but we help you to become successful, because we are tuning the bots every week, and we share our settings to you, so you don't have to figure it out yourself, okay? That's it. For a one-time fee, you get access to the source code. You don't have to pay a monthly fee. One-time fee, you implement the source code. Lifetime updates for free, so if we update the script, you are able to implement it too, so don't have to figure it out. We are always improving our scripts to enhance them to get the best results. So yeah, you don't have to worry about anything, and you're not left alone. And join our community also for yeah, ask your questions, and also join the like-minded people there, which are full in trading automation. Okay, that was it. So click on the button somewhere here on this page, and yeah, we are happy to welcome you. Start with automated trading. You won't regret it, and we'll see you inside.